Alright guys, so this is going to be a remake video of this new Kenmore Microwave. I will give you a close-up look at it. You can see that. And there's the side right there. And a little over there, right, yeah. And I'll show you the inside of it. And there's that too. And we had that in here for about over 5.5 months. It replaced another Kenmore microwave that we had about more than a few years ago, but made that weird thing going on. If you I'll put a link to that if I have time, but yeah, so how you do on this microwave, in case anyone doesn't know, yeah, it's got the seconds here. I think you press that one, like either one of those, to make it worth a minute. Well, I'll kind of start doing it, but I'm not going to do continuingly, but yeah, kind of like that. But if you want to set for any less than that, you press cook time, and then set whichever you're comfortable with, like 25, or whichever you're comfortable with, or 30. It's got these right here too for cooking foods, though I normally don't really use them very much, but yeah. I will do a little demonstration. I'll get back to it in a moment. Okay, so I just went to fill up a random cup of water, just for the heck of it. But here we go. Here we go. Okay. And here's that too. That actually doesn't do anything. I think you do that and then this. And there's that. Anyway, I'll demonstrate that one last time. Okay. So anyways, it's kind of hot now. Yeah. Anyways, so yeah. But anyway, so yeah, there you have it. That's my new Kenmore microwave. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.